rough terrain, forest, orchard, slope, and so on. Launch terrain flight drone for a control of pest where you cannot reach areas easily. Kdrone-A20. With a 20-liter replacement tank and self-control program, can control 20 hectares in 15 minutes. With enhanced Lidar sensors and control programs, make that accurately terrain flying and easily controlled. Provided warranty service promptly with FLIAC controller and control module. Easy to fold and store. It also has plenty of space in the SUV with a large drone of compact size. Superior control, simple control app, and easy drone control make your flight fatigue minimize. A strong companion for agricultural and forestry workers. The pride of a Korean-style drone. Try Kdrone-A20.